got a blue pain, got blue tears singing in the blue rain.
Kord kuus kõlavad Cafe Amigos bluusirütmid ja laulud. Homsel Night of the Bluesi üritusel esineb Ameerika gospel bluesi staarlaulja Sherry Williams.
Okay, we're going to have some rocking gospel blues. That's what you're going to get tomorrow. Rock is like pump it up. The gospel, we speak the truth. And then the blues, where our pain is right now, yeah?
How much can a woman take? How much pain before her heart breaks?
Sherry Williamsit nimetatakse 21. sajandi parimaks bluusi näiteks. Sherry esineb bluusifestivalidel ja klubides üle maailma. Euroopa lavadel on naine üles astunud alates 2002. aastast. Ameerika Ühendriikides nimetatakse Sherryt rocking gospel bluesi printsessiks.
Because that's who I am. I am the princess of the rocking gospel blues.
It's your turn. You and me.